One of the biggest reasons we signed the ProCare contract is peace of mind.
The R&M covers the entire package, so yeah, quite happy with that.
Very, very good service, yeah.
So I think if we look at this here...
We operate all across the UK and our customers are just as key in those areas or anywhere. So to have the product backed up with great after service is what we're always looking for.
We have to be sure that we keep our vehicles on the road as much as possible. That's obviously why we're such a strong customer for Hiab, because they deliver on that service element. It's trading partner with confidence.
The advantages of ProCare and total R&M give us predicted costs, peace of mind and ultimately uptime.
Right now the industry is very under pressure price-wise from the customer because it's so exposed through the digital age. So we always sell on the fact that we sell the right product at the right price, in the right place at the right time. For me to be able to do that, we have to be confident of the uptime and all our equipment operating and having very little downtime with regard to maintenance or servicing. Hiab deliver that for us.
The vehicles are our revenue stream, so if the vehicle's off the road, then we don't have a revenue stream. Plus we have to stand the cost of the vehicle.
We can't have the crane working, we can't deliver to our customers, and our customer service takes an impact. So uptime is absolutely critical for us.
I love the service that Hiab provide to me. I've got a technician's personal number myself. I can call him at any time. If I do run into a problem, obviously he handles it very quickly for me. He gets the problem dealt with. I get moving on my way again, so I'm not late for my deliveries, and he nips it in the bud.
We know what we're going to get. We're going to get trained technicians. We've got agreed attendance across the entire UK, so wherever we deploy the product, we've got manufacturer support, we can control the risk, and key things, obviously, safety. We want the right people touching equipment who are well trained, who can support it.
Essentially, not only are we looking at the uptime of the vehicles, we're also looking at the safety of the cranes and have every confidence that the cranes are kept safe and profitable. We at Wincanton Construction, we've decided to put the majority of our Hiab fleet on Hiab R&M ProCare contract. We see the benefit as cost control. One of the problems for us in the UK in terms of support is that the industry struggles to provide sufficient resource these days. We're obviously being tied into Hiab, we're guaranteed support as and when we need it.
I've operated many cranes before, different manufacturers. The problem that I've found is if you have a breakdown, the response is very, very slow. You know, you could be waiting there 2 or 3 hours. With Hiab, because they've got so many dealers around the country, they're normally there between 60 and 90 minutes, which you can't fault really.
We get things fixed pretty quickly. We've had occasions with other manufacturers where we've not been able to get response in time, and we've literally had vehicles locked in on site overnight because we've not been able to get the adequate response. We believe that Hiab provide us with the service that we would struggle to get elsewhere with other crane suppliers. Yeah.